How'd you get in here?
Don't worry about it.
No, why do you have a sticker on your shirt?
It's my sticker dog.
Okay, but how did you get in here? Good lord. Freaking war zone in here, dude. Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to DerekBaranProductions for another video. Thank you all so much for tuning back into the channel. We got Brandon. He just showed up, got Minion, and I noticed something on Minion. 35. Is that your body count these days?
Yeah.
Is it? My man, good shit.
We're
We're gonna have to get that on the Dose of DBP YouTube channel, you know? Some action, get a little filming going on there.
I'm ready to get on the dose.
You're ready to what? I know y'all heard that. He was about to say something wild. Speaking about the car, man, I heard and saw that you broke it.
I snapped the axles. I finally did S550 things.
You snapped the axles?
Yeah.
At the track?
Yeah.
Were you launching on a tire?
No, I was launching on those. It wasn't. It broke going in a second. Not even launching.
Okay. Be honest with me. Don't lie. All right, fix your face. Like, fix it. No smiling. No, not your hair. No smiling. No grinning. Don't grin. You're grinning, dude. Don't grin. I'm gonna ask you one question, and you're just gonna answer. Okay?
Go ahead. Hurry up.
Okay, hold on.
Did I no lift shift?
Yes. You did?
Yeah. I think so. I don't remember. I think I might have slightly looked all the. I can't remember.
You no lift shifting.
I can't remember. I think I had been no lift shifting it, but I don't remember if that time I did. I heard a bang and then I couldn't go anywhere. It was going into gear just fine and I couldn't drive.
You literally got the axles fixed and then what? You went to VIR, which is like a real racetrack. How'd that go?
Amazing. I'm addicted to that stuff now. I'm getting into that.
I was gonna do the charity laps, but it was piss pouring rain. When I woke up, they canceled it. They did cancel it. Okay.
It's in December now.
Oh, it's in December?
Yeah.
Might have to bring Hades and Minion to that. I know it's not gonna be as fun for you because you had the full experience, but might have to bring Hades to VIR, which is an actual racetrack.
I went pretty crazy out there. For my first time ever on the racetrack, I was surrounded by a bunch of like pro drivers and stuff, and they were all super impressed with my time. Yeah. They were like, dude, you're killing it out there for your first time ever. I ran a low 220 in the 220s.
So what you're telling me is that I need to start a race team, and you're the permanent driver.
Yeah. We'll be out there all the time winning races.
Actually, Brandon made a full video at VIR. I have yet to watch it. Don't be mad. But you can actually go watch that if you want to see Minion in action at the racetrack. There's a card that just popped up. Go watch that. I also have one huge important announcement. Like, my God, I'm pumped. As you can probably tell, my energy levels are fucking through the roof because of this. So look, we're at the middle of November now, and it's getting to that slow season when it comes to car stuff. Today's modification, I've done it before in the past, and I'm not necessarily sorry because I partner with these companies and I have to provide video exposure, promotion in order to receive these parts. You guys know how it works. So just bear with me, watch the videos, guys. It's gonna get a little tough here. It's freezing cold, like literally 70 degrees one day and now like 40. It's nuts. With that being said though, today on my second YouTube channel called Dose of DBP, this is the spin-off channel of DerekBaranProductions where I post everything and anything, and I just dropped the absolute best video I have ever made out of all 800 plus uploads I've uploaded. That video that I just dropped at 7 p.m. on the Dose of DBP YouTube channel, and it's actually called Drinking While Betting on UFC 281 Fights. Me and the boys met up, we drank, we bet on fights, we filmed. It was just an absolute banger vlog, and I want you guys to go check it out after this video. You can find a card in the description. Go subscribe to the channel, guys. We just passed 1K. Let's get to 2K within another week. I know we can do it, and please take my advice. If you want to watch an entertaining video, I promise you that's the video you're gonna want to watch, and there's a lot more to come. One video a week every Wednesday, 7 p.m. Eastern time. So if you want to go check that out, I'd greatly appreciate it. And let's jump into today's video.
I was racing, so I didn't get invited to that party.
I mean, you know damn well you would have been there.
I know.
Next one. Tell them to go watch it, and we'll get you in on the next one.
Go watch the video so you can watch me be a dumbass.
Like I said, we've done these videos before. Title and thumbnail of the video. We have a beautiful steering wheel from our friends over at Dyna Performance for Hades. Lucifer has the full kit already. Steering wheel, carbon overlay. I bought Hades. They sent me out the full carbon overlay kit. I put that on, and I still was rocking the stock steering wheel. But inside this box here, they sent me a really nice wheel. So let's take a look at this real quick. I've been working with Dyna Performance for quite some time now, and them dudes over there, Jared and John, you guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. And little things like this Like, look how freaking nice this wheel is, man. You got the nice carbon. We went with the black stripe up top just to kind of keep the sinister look. The white stitching all around to match the vehicle stitching, the factory stitching that's in the car. And then I went with this leather instead of Alcantara because I just think it feels better on the hands. And yeah, I mean, there's really no other way to put it. We're gonna go and slap it in the car today. And I had to have Brandon over because he claims he's a steering wheel swapping expert.
We'll see. It's been a while.
Has it?
Look, my very first video ever was swapping my steering wheel.
So we're gonna watch you swap mine, and if you fuck it up, I fight you on film. So we're gonna let Brandon help me with the install. If he messes it up, we're legit gonna get right into another dose of DBP vlog. It's gonna be one-on-one fighting with sticks. Minion versus DBP. And you know when it's absolute booty cheeks of weather out, when Hades is absolutely disgusting. Like, I mean, it's hard to see on camera, but it's disgusting. And yeah, that's horrid. Holy crap, I can't believe I just showed that. Speaking about the car too, by the way, we just dropped a video Monday. We did a little modification here to the stock performance pack spoiler. Please do me the biggest favor, go run that up after you watch the Dose of DVP video that dropped today. All right, Brandon, so what's step one?
Oh, you have to disconnect your battery.
Damn, okay, good job.
So your airbag doesn't explode in your face.
I mean, that would be pretty funny though, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
That might go viral. It actually might be worth doing. How much does the airbag cost? Shebang. Disconnect the positive terminal on your battery. Like Brandon said, you don't want the airbag to go off, which is very possible. So we're gonna disconnect that. So I will say removing the airbag, I have a feeling is gonna be the hardest part about this installation. There's two little holes, one right there, and then there's one on this side, and you have to like push in these springs, and my fingers are killing me trying to get them off, but we got it off. Now we're gonna go and unplug all this shit and just remove the steering wheel itself and swap everything over to the new one and reapply. Airbag's off, it's just held together by those two clips and then a clip right there. So we can go ahead and set that to the side. So listen, this is gonna look horrible because I don't have the correct tool to do it, but this is a 24mm bolt. I don't have a 24mm socket of any sort, but I do have a 15th, 16th socket with a breaker bar. This is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna slap this mamma jamma on like this, and then we're gonna go like that, and we're gonna use leverage, boys. Just like
this is incredibly...
Brandon's like shook right now. He was like, how you gonna do that? I wanna say the bolts actually have a dab of... Yeah, see? Red Loctite. So I'm not gonna film this process just because it's kind of self-explanatory, but the wheel that we have is a naked wheel, therefore we have to take the plastics off, we have to gut the inside, all the switches, and just slap them in the new wheel and then reinstall, and that's essentially it. So we're gonna go knock that out real quick, and the next clip you see will be the new wheel with all the internals installed. All right, fam, so we went ahead and swapped everything from our old wheel here, our heated wheel, to our carbon wheel, and I specify heated for this reason. You have this heated harness that plugs into that wheel. It's like 2 wires. So all I did was just cut mine because I, for one, couldn't get this clipped. So I just cut it, taped them off because I'm not gonna need it because race car. And you just gotta go, take your time. There's a lot of different little screws. Unhook this, unhook that, take the plastics off, take the paddles off. Automatic guys have it a little worse just because you do have the paddles and a little more electronics going to the wheel, but overall it takes about 30 minutes realistically. There's videos out there that really do break down step by step. It's not really necessary in my opinion. It's rather simple. You just gotta know what you're looking at and just send it pretty much. But there's our completed wheel, and now we're just gonna go to the car and slap it on, make sure all our electronics are working before we fully reset that airbag, because that airbag was a complete pain. That's the hardest thing about this install, no joke. But let's go do that, and we're gonna go take a little drive and see how she feels. We have our main harness plugged in. These two gotta get pulled through, and then we'll slide the clock spring on. A little dab of red is all you need. Just because you don't want your steering wheel going loose while driving. That would be extremely bad. So we're gonna do this.
Yeah, get your breaker bar, get your leverage, and you know.
I'm going to, Brandon, I'm going to. Can you actually do me a favor? Put one hand at the top of that wheel and just hold it tight, like as tight as it, yep. Okay. All right.
All right, let's see if these things work. Okay. That one works. God damn, he's got hella shit. That works.
Damn, bitch!
It works.
Oh my god, dude! I'm sitting there cleaning my coolant tank and that scared the piss out of me.
They all work.
Everything works?
Yeah.
Alright. Go ahead and pop that airbag back in, cuh.
Alright, that's locked into place.
So, it seems like our steering wheel from our friends over at Dyna Performance went in really smooth. Fitment's great. Looks great. Brandon, give them a little look. You know, we have the overlay carbon, like I said. So this is all stick-on. You can find this on their website as well. So I went, obviously, with the regular carbon weave just to kind of match it all. And it looks freaking good.
Yeah, it does.
It looks really good. But let's get some E85 in the car. Let's go take a drive, and that'll pretty much sum up today's video. Damn, you're grabbing my tip for me, dude? Thank you.
Yeah, let me guide it in.
Those watching this video right now, comment down below if you love the smell of E85. Because I absolutely am a fiend for it. All right, wanna go for a ride?
Yep.
Let's take a drive. Yes, for the record, getting these leaves out, hoping to get this thing washed soon. It's bothering me, trust me. I love a clean car.
I'm gonna wash my car badly.
Freaking winter sucks, dude. Oh my god, just looking at it, this thing looks so good. Yeah, guys, I have to admit, Dyna Performance, they're the go-tos, man. This is so much better, and it gives it a real premium feel. I know I say this about, you know, every video, but it's honestly true. Lucifer's wheel was a success. We put one in the Cobra, but that was a different brand. Blue 2 valve was a different brand. So actually, this is only my second carbon wheel that I've installed. And I don't know, I love it, man. I think everybody should install an aftermarket wheel in their, you know, Coyote of some sort, just because it truly does make the driving experience so much better. And especially with the windows up, you'll be able to see like all the carbon. It really darkens up the cabin, and it all goes so well together. You know, carbon. It looks so freaking good. Do me a favor and drop a like up on this video if you agree. And if you are interested in checking out Dyna Performance's products, both overlay and steering wheels, you can actually head to the link in the description. It'll take you to their website. You know, DM them on Instagram. Tell them Derek sent you. They might work with you. They might not. I don't know. Just throwing that out there. But yeah, again, huge thank you to Dyna Performance for sponsoring today's video. In love with this thing. And Brandon,
It's dope.
appreciate your help there, brother.
Appreciate it, I'm blind.
But yeah, boys, I think that's a wrap. And one last thing. I'm telling you all, go watch the Dose of DBP video that went live today at 7 p.m. Subscribe to Dose of DBP. I'm going to be showing that channel a lot of love. I'm having a lot of fun filming videos for that channel. I'm having such a blast just going out with the boys and just filming, letting the camera roll and getting into, you know, getting into some stuff and just filming it and capturing it for you all. So if you would, that'd mean the world to me to go subscribe to that. If we could hit 2,000 subs, that would be insane. It really would. But we have a video dropping every week, 7 p.m. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave the rest to you guys, man. Go enjoy the content. It's different. It's not car stuff, but I know everybody watching this video just isn't strictly into cars and cars only. That's the thing I want to do with this channel, is just show everybody that, like, dude, there's so much more to the DBP than just cars. And with today's video, I think you guys are gonna understand that, and you might appreciate it. So go run it up, go drop a like, watch Monday's video with the Wicker Bill addition that we added to Hades. I think the installation went really well, and it looks so good as well. So appreciate the support, guys. Thank you so much for absolutely everything. Bear with me through these colder months that are ahead. Kind of sucks. This weekend we have some really cool news coming. Going to pick up all the parts, actually, that we dropped off the paint. So looking forward to that. But y'all have a blessed rest of your day. Take care. Let me know what you think about the Dose of DBP YouTube channel, and we'll catch you probably Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern time, for another video here on Derek Baran Productions. Y'all stay blessed. Much love. Peace.